Stop scrolling! Welcome to 650 2nd Street, Hoboken, a place where the words rarely available actually mean something. So this is a top floor, 1,800 square foot beauty. It's tucked inside the highly coveted Neapolitan building, and trust me, this condo is anything but vanilla. First, let's talk about space, like actual space. Look at this. We have 3 bedrooms plus a den, more closet space and storage space than you'll even need. In there, we have a washer dryer. Here's the den, the 3rd bedroom, more closets. My favorite part of this unit are those wide Brazilian hardwood floors. And if you love cooking, or even if you just love looking like you do, this chef's kitchen has you covered. Quartz countertops, glass-tiled backsplash, high-end appliances, it's a dream. You've got direct access to a recently renovated private terrace. But before you go, I have to show you the primary bedroom. It has the whole package. Look at those windows, natural light, a custom walk-in closet, lots of space, and of course an ensuite bathroom with a glass-enclosed shower and porcelanosa tile. This is a speed tour, so I haven't even gotten to the best parts of it. If you want to set up a private tour, message us, Lux.